the PostureX Office Chair, designed for complete ergonomic control and all-day comfort. Easily adjust the width of the armrests to suit your body. Simply loosen the screws underneath each arm and slide them to your preferred position for a more personalized fit. Customize your arm height with ease. Press the button beneath each armrest and raise or lower to achieve the perfect support for your posture. Enjoy full flexibility with 360-degree adjustable armrests. Move them side to side, forwards and backwards for complete freedom of movement throughout your workday. Find your ideal sitting angle with 4 tilt lock positions. Lock your position in place using the tilt lock mechanism. Simply flip the lever underneath the chair to secure your chosen recline angle. Fine-tune your reclining experience with adjustable tilt tension, giving you full control over how easily the chair moves as you lean back. Support your lower back with an adjustable lumbar system, designed to move up or down to match your spine and promote better posture. Adapt the seat depth to suit your height with the seat slide function, allowing the base to move forwards or backwards for optimal comfort and support. This chair also has a high-density foam cushion, providing long-lasting durability. Enjoy a 10-year warranty on all PostureX office chairs at HuntOffice.ie. The PostureX Office Chair, built to move with you.